Hey, what's up guys? It's Ben and Randy.
Hi.
Welcome to episode 4 of the Jam Factory. Our media guy Trevor is on the fritz. He took a vacation, so you're gonna have to watch this film from my cell phone with my selfie stick. So we want to thank you for watching the channel, helping us turbo the world. And today on Jam Factory, we're going to talk to Carey Bales from Race Tactics. He's coming down to look at doing a custom wiring job on Curtis's twin turbo Coyote car. We're also going to check in on the Hellcat. We've got quite a bit done on that. We've got the motor back together. Supercharger stuff's going on. That'll be going back in the car pretty soon. We're also going to check out update on Craig's car. The roll cage stuff's all done. Interior's going back in. We're going to check in with Jack. We just got the car certified. The cage is certified now. So we're going to check in on that as well, and maybe a few other things. So follow along. We're going to go walk through the shop and see what's going on. All right, guys, we're here with Carey Bales with Race Tactics. And today we are going to talk about wiring Curtis's car. Give you a quick view just to show you guys have seen the setup before, but just so you can see what we're working with here. And Carey's going to do a custom wiring harness for the car, and we're also going to do a PDM setup, and he's just going to kind of explain what he's going to do and what that's about. And there's Jeremy hiding over there somewhere.
Well, I was trying to be sneaky.
Are you trying to be sneaky? Okay.
We saw you though, so
I was going to be like this, sneaky around.
yeah.
All right, Carey. So tell us your company and what you do real quick, just so everybody knows.
Race Tactics, we do custom wiring and motorsports. So anything, you know, we work on anything, domestic, import, carbureted, EFI, we do it all.
Yeah, all custom wiring solutions,
Yep,
stuff like that.
all
Yep.
custom, yep.
Cool. And then, so what are we doing for Curtis's car?
So
What's
Curtis's car, that's going to have an Infinity 8 on it with a CD7 dash. We're going to do a power distribution module in this. So one of the benefits of that, and when you couple that with a CAN-based keypad, is there's a lot of flexibility with, you know, control and what you do with that module. You don't have the old school fuses and relays, and it really cleans up the wiring in the car and allows for a lot of expansion. And you also can data log all that stuff, so you can see what's going on with all the circuitry and know if you have any issues, you know, typically before they arise. So it's a really nice system and a way to you know, wire these cars.
Cool. Yeah. So we're gonna get all that stuff set up, and it's going over to Carey's place probably next week. So
Yeah.
get a car all wired up and back over to us to finish up. And on the dyno, look for it next month. Hopefully on the dyno for some power pulls. And thanks for taking time to talk to us today, Carey.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right, guys. We got the Hellcat Whipple 4.5 project, and Timmy, that's Timmy.
Hello.
Is getting it done. We've got the motor all together. Heads are back on. The Whipple's going on. This thing is coming together. It's a big old package you got there, Timmy.
Well, thank you.
I like how the engine's coming together. Those fuel rails look good. We got the cams installed too, I guess, right? Yep. Oh yeah, we got everything put in. So this thing's gonna be going back in the engine pretty soon. What else we have left to do?
We need to put headers on it and hopefully go back in next week sometime.
Yeah, then we got built RPM transmission coming back soon, and we've got the bolt-in 9-inch kit laying in a pile of parts over here. That's going to be going back in pretty soon, or going in. Make sure this thing can hold all the power. Right now we're empty. All right. There you go, Whipple. All right, we're going to see what Jeremy's up to here. What are you doing, Jeremy?
Grabbing the exhaust tips so I don't scratch them all up.
Oh, man, this is for a $1,400 package car, right? Oh, yeah, look at that. Fancy exhaust tips.
Woo!
Going on this car. It needs some exhaust tips. Check back later. We'll see if we get a finished version of that. Right now we got everything mocked up under there. All right, guys, we got Craig's car going back together. We got the windshield back in. Jackson there putting the dash back together. Give you a quick little viewpoint of what's going on in here. Now that everything's interior is going back together. Some nice tight fit up there. It's basically touching all the way down. And then you can see the rear seat fits in nice. Got the rear bars come down and your headrest actually still actuate up and down like the factory stuff does. And then they clear, which is nice. I don't have the seats back in yet, obviously, but I can see all the bars fit really tight. And when you're basically from out here, you can't even see. You can't even see that there's a cage in it from this side. You can see the bars on the other side, obviously, but also we had our chassis inspector here yesterday. We got his stamp of approval on the cage here. Got our NHRA certification. All right. We should have some good pictures up on the website of this car once Trevor gets back and gets some good shots of this one. We'll put them up there so you can check out some good detailed pictures. Let's see how everything fits. Now we got little plates in there with the dash. Cover up the holes. Steering wheel's all mounted back in with our dash bar steering column mounts. Guys, number 98's getting a little MoTeC tuning. See what Corbin's up to. What you doing there, Corbin? Tuning. Little MoTeC tune?
Yeah, just getting wrapped up.
All right, I like it. Give us a couple revs. All right, everybody, Jolene is here. Hi, Jolene. And we got two puppies waiting on Jolene outside. I'll show you what the craziness looks like when they get here every day. Oh, yeah, go get them, puppies. Oh, yeah. There's the craziness. Gold Nado is what we call that. That's the gold Nado. Gold Nado. Oh, and they're all going back inside. There we go, got toys, look out. This is what you call puppies living their best life. That wraps up another episode of the Jam Factory. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on other social media platforms. We got Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, Twitter. No, we don't have a Twitter. But check us out on there. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.